Impeltech presents the world's first SOE Portal. The SOE Portal is a cloud-based subscription service which allows the operator to easily build a Windows operating system image. The SOE Portal allows you to select your required Windows platform, whether that be Windows 7 or Windows 8. Choose from a large and growing library of hardware models whose drivers have already been certified. Choose from a library of pre-packaged common applications, or you can upload your own line of business applications. There is also a range of Windows configuration items which you can configure to round out your image. Once your configuration has been saved, the automation built into the portal does all the work to build and maintain your image. The result is an image which you can then download and integrate with your factory service, deploy directly to your end devices via CD or USB key, or integrate with your on-premise network deployment service. This is the logon page to the Impeltech SOE Portal. Once you log on to the SOE Portal, you'll notice a range of menus. We've got My Images, My Apps, My SOE, Common Apps, Hardware Certs, and Profile. Some of these are informational, such as Common Apps and Hardware Certs. Others are about your registration details, such as Profile, and My SOE is information about your environment. My Apps is where you upload your line of business applications, whether they be executable, MSI, or a scripted package. And in the My Images tab, which I'm browsing now, is where you manage your image file itself and your configuration. So we've got an image which is being configured, and it's been actually built, ready for download. But what we can do is show you what that image looks like. I'll say Edit. So you'd see this same image configuration wizard if you are building an image from scratch. Just to show you some of the elements that you can configure, we won't go through all of them, but we've got the image name. We've also got some installation details where I've given it a naming convention and I've chosen a serial number. We could have asset tag or manual entry. You enter your regional settings, license key, and a local admin username and password. We've got the domain. If I skip further forward, so we're going to be joining the domain and using this account that has rights to add a computer to a domain. Common applications, we can see which common applications have been associated with this particular configuration. We've got core applications. These come out of My Apps profile. We have uploaded your business applications, so I've chosen Office 2013 Professional, and we can select the hardware models. So you can see a couple of hardware models have been selected. We could save this and edit or update the image if we chose to, but what I'll do is I'll just leave that as is. We'll cancel, and I can show you what the download process looks like. In order to download an image, we select the image which has been completed. You would have received an email notifying you of its completion. We can see that we've got an action to be able to download this image. So I'll click download and it'll start the download manager for us. So before the download manager starts, I must validate my credentials again. This brings up the download manager where I can select my image, choose the location I download to, and hit the download button. As easy as that. And then that image is ready for deployment.